Masks are super important in making sure you stay healthy during times like the coronavirus pandemic. But what do you do if you don't have a mask or right materials to sew one at home? Well, you can make them out of materials that might be laying around your house. For this first mask, you'll need a bandana and 2 rubber bands or hair ties. Start by folding both sides of the bandana into the center to make a rectangle. Then turn the bandana over and do the same process again on the other side. Add 1 rubber band on each side, leaving room in the middle to be however long you want your mask to become. Next, turn over your mask and fold the sides into the middle. Be sure to tuck one of the sides into the other so that the mask holds. And now you have a super simple bandana mask. The next mask uses just one item, a t-shirt. Remember to use an old t-shirt for this mask because we're going to start out by cutting the sleeve off. Take the sleeve and turn it over. Fold a side of the sleeve inwards about 1/2 inch and then make small cuts like this about 1 centimeter apart. Do the same to the other side. Make sure all of your cuts are evenly spaced out. After this is finished, bring back the t-shirt from before and cut along the side of the remaining sleeve. Take this part off and cut 2 more pieces. Take the 2 pieces you just cut and stretch them until they curl inwards. Cut the ends off just to make them a little cleaner. Now take these pieces and thread them in and out against the sleeve. After you've finished with both sides, it should look like this. Finally, tie the ends of the mask together. And there you have a DIY mask made out of a t-shirt. Now we have 2 easy masks that anyone can make out of the items that you have at home. Be sure to continue watching our entire playlist and stay safe.